Welcome back, guys, to the Low Tide Lounge. We're opening up Black Bolt binder collection. Like in my other video, I'm not much for talking, so John or Zach can do voiceovers. Thank you, Zach.
Voiceovers, not watchovers. Alright,
Yeah, chance band.
Well,
thinking you can just drop trash in here.
John did it.
I don't mind watch either.
He did.
Ready
And
to
we
next.
have it on camera.
But it wasn't on his watch though. Yeah, not mine.
Oh, next on this side. Yeah. I'm done.
I actually prefer white meat.
Really?
Not that I won't. I'll eat both. Trust me.
Chipper.
You know what I mean? Dude, I'm not eating both.
Minchino from this.
Those are good
Nope. No
Look,
hit.
Travis is the clean clang bull.
Apparently.
though. Oh, there's a reason for that.
He's the geared grinder.
I love you guys.
Big low 10 sound effect. TV.
Master Ball Luna.
TV.
Conkeldurr.
Let's go. Conkeldurr. Of the day. Supposed to be Travis.
Nothing.
Travis.
Professional voice.
Booty.
Wait, does this have Birch in it? Is this the set with the Birch professional voice on? Or is White? White might be the set with Birch.
You'll find out.
If so, I picked the right set. Because Birch, my boy, they did not get a floor. That's what you
Pokeball will
I just
repeat.
really like Ruby and
That's like Travis. Don't do it.
I got nothing so far besides Pokeball and Master Ball. Come on, this has got to be a hit. Right? Last pack Magic Call.
Great. Get a mellow at a SR right now.
If he gets nothing out of this, that means that we can kind of confirm that the binder
Pokeball?
collections are.
Nope.
There's another clean.
Another
baby.
Clink Clank though. Well, as y'all can tell from my videos, I apparently have to play Clink Clank.
No one has had an SR. This bodes well for me. More black and white sets coming soon here on the Low Tide Lounge. Join us for the next few videos, guys. We'll see you next time.